In this video, we are going to make a sliding gate similar to this mechanism. This aluminum angle will hold our gate. The holes are a bit bigger than the screw, so I am winding a tape. These 3 screws will keep the gate on its place. This acrylic sheet will be our gate. It needs to fix our mechanism on board. To slide the gate, I will place this belt. To mount a motor, it needs a small angle. I have stuck this black piece to support the gate at the other side. I am taking this powerful gate motor. It moves smoothly. I will use this heat sink as pillar. I made this control box earlier. Check out the link above for the detailed video. With the rag gear, it will work even better. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.